Okay, I had the battery out of the car all winter long, and when you disconnect the battery, you have to resync a few things. The first one to resync is the key fob. So to reset this, you reset the rear fuse number 2, which I already done. Then you turn the key to the number 2 position. Press and hold button lock for 5 seconds. The big one button. Release after 5 seconds. Turn ignition off. 3, 4, 5. Yep, there's the lock. Unlock. You set the key to position number 2, and when you turn on the radio, nothing will happen. It'll just flash code. It needs a 5-digit security code that came with the radio. So you just enter that, and then you hit this SC button, and I heard the antenna go up, and there's a radio station. Here's a weather band.
Central and east central Wisconsin this evening and overnight. Meanwhile, lows will drop into the 40s at most.
Next, you have to do all 4 of the windows. If I press the switch down just once, it doesn't automatically go down. You have to press it each time to get it to go down. And same thing with going up, which takes forever. Okay, so to set that, you just depress the switch to the first indent. You can actually hear like a little click. And then you hold it for about 5-6 seconds. And now it should work. Yep. There's auto down, auto up. Okay, next I'm going to set the throttle body idle. You put the key to position number 2 until everything lights up. And then you just come under the hood. There's a throttle body in the center. You just wait for about 30 to 40 seconds and it'll make a clicking sound. Okay, that was it. Next, the engine control unit needs to be relearned. So you turn your key to position number 2. You depress and hold the accelerator all the way down. They'll activate the kick down switch. You hold it there for 10 seconds. And then turn the key all the way off, but keep your foot on the accelerator. Now you can let your foot off. And now you have to wait 2 minutes before you turn on the key or start the engine. At this point, it's basically relearning the ECU and communicating with the TCU, that's a transmission unit. And this will determine your shift points. So most people want better fuel economy and a smoother shift. So your first 30 to 40 shifts, try to keep it under 2,000 RPMs. And then that's the way the car will handle. If you drive more aggressively, then you probably want to do your shift points at around 3,000 to 3,500. Resync the steering angle sensor. You just go rack it hard right, hold it for like 3 seconds, and then left. And then right again. And then left again. And that's it.